welcome back to Nacy's Custom. Today we are diving into DTF printing for beginners. If you're struggling to get those vibrant transfers or your print aren't sticking, don't worry, I got you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that like button, click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my tutorials for small business owners like me. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, I'm going to show you what type of DTF machine that I have. I have a Lancelot DTF printer. This is a good printer. Technical support is wonderful. If you run into any kind of problems or anything going on with your DTF machine, you can hit them up on WhatsApp and they'll answer you like in a second. I promise you. This is a good DTF machine, and I would, if they call me today and ask me to do a collaboration with them for another machine that they have, I'll go ahead and I'll do it. I'll make them videos all day. Okay, and also with my Lancelot, they'll send you a laptop. So this is the laptop that you will get with the Lancelot DTF machine, and over here it comes with the Lancelot oven, and that's why I put my potter in. So I'm gonna go ahead and print out a design so you can take a look at it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, every morning when I come in here, I will open up my shop and turn on my light. The first place I go, I come over here to my DTF machine. Once I come to my DTF machine, I turn it on, put the power on, and I run a nozzle check and a head cleaner. Since I already did that this morning, I'm not going to do that now.
Oh, that's real good.
So let's go ahead and print out our design. And this is the program the RIP program that comes with the printer. It's already installed, so you don't have to buy anything extra with Lancelot. Lancelot, I bought, it came with the DTF printer, ink, the potter, and the oven, and the laptop. So let's go ahead and get our design.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. That's real good.
It's already going to be mirrored for you. You don't have to touch any of these settings right here, and you're going to go ahead and hit print. Once it print, it's going to jump to this screen over here.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Come and check.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Okay, our print has finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the powder on it. Bring it over here. Okay. And just open some. Then I'm gonna just take my hand and just roll it like that evenly. Make sure I get everything. Shake the excess off and put it in my oven. Close it down. I have my oven 140 degrees and I'm gonna let it heat up for 144 minutes. As you can see, once that's finished, we're gonna go ahead and print on our garment. Okay, our print is finished. We're gonna come over here to our garment and I'm gonna lay it across like that. Make sure that it's even. What I like to do, I like to cut off, you know, the signs, but I can't find my scissors at this moment right here, so we're gonna go ahead and press it. And I'm pressing at 320 degrees for 20 seconds. We're not gonna put no Teflon sheet or anything on it. We're gonna wait till that countdown and complete.
Stopping me.
Okay, and what I like to do, I like to get a cloth and just rub across it like that. Okay, and then remember I tell you I only deal with hot peel, so it peels off easy. And I'll get my Teflon sheet and put on the top of it and press it another 20 seconds. Now it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the finished product. I'm gonna turn off my heat press now because I'm not coming back out here and pressing anything else. Okay guys, this is the finished product. See how bright the colors are? This is the finished product. It's it came out real good. Okay, you see it? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the troubleshooting tips. If your print is faded, you want to make sure that your curing time is like 140. If the adhesive doesn't stick on your fabric, you want to make sure that you have adhesive covering the whole design. Not just look, just make sure you pile it up on there and shake the rest of it off. And if you having cracks in your design, make sure that your heat press is on medium press. Do a medium press. And that's it. That's all I have. If you like this tutorial, what I did today about the basic DTF print, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Ain't nobody stopping me.